Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Ford Edge, guys. So if you have a Ford Edge, guys, and you have the panoramic sunroof, moonroof, guys, and you're trying to find the fuse for that sunroof, stay with us and we'll explain where it's located. We also have a video on the channel, guys, that explains how to close a sunroof that is stuck open, guys. So check it out, very helpful information there as well. Quick introduction: every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge, will be making at least 200 videos. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to our channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys need to buy any replacement tools, parts, anything like that, guys, fuses, relays for your car, and you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. It's there, guys, for your convenience. So this is, guys, a 2009 Ford Edge that we're working on, first generation, guys, and we'll show you if you need to find the fuse for the sunroof, moonroof, guys, okay, where it's located and how to get to it. So you need to, guys, open the hood, okay, of your Ford Edge. You guys have one fuse box right here, okay, and you have one box inside, but that's the one that we need to work on. How you guys open that thing? Okay, you're going to press in here, pull up, okay, and now if you want, you can actually disconnect it, guys. Okay, here's only two kind of like hinges here, and you pull it out. Check out, guys, now, okay, you have the fuse numbers, okay, printed on the back side of the fuse box right here. So that layout now actually corresponds to the layout here. Unfortunately, you don't know what they are for, only you can see their fuse number. So that's why we're making that video, to make it, guys, a little bit more convenient for you. The fuse, guys, that we're looking at now, okay, let me show you quick. We need to check it on the fuse box first. It's fuse number 18, okay, number 18, this fuse right here. So how we, guys, located here? Ford fuse, from left to right, front to back, 1 2 3 4, even count the one missing, guys. This is a 20 amp fuse. That's the fuse that we're looking at. So how you guys remove it? Okay, pretty simple. Just go ahead, grab it, okay, and pull it, guys, it comes out. This is the fuse right here. If you need to replace it, go ahead, guys, get a new one. Now if you guys need to buy a replacement one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below, so check it out. When you're ready, guys, pretty simple. All you have to do, okay, come here and install it, guys, okay, get a new fuse and install it. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure that thing out. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos. And I forgot to mention, guys, don't forget to put your box here, okay, fuse box cover. Why? Because if you do, guys, okay, if you do not install it correctly, all that dust will end up inside and you will need new fuse box after some time, guys. So make sure you install it, okay, close it, and you're ready to go, guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.